Hey everybody, welcome to Walker Bee Ranch. I am at Zion Damascus Church in Hopkins, South Carolina. And today we're going to attempt to make some bees abscond. There is a cinder block post, and right up there, there's bees coming out. I was here this past weekend, and went up in the attic. They're not going in the attic that I could see. The thought is they're going down inside the block, inside this column. I don't know how far. They haven't been here too terribly long from what I gather. So we're going to attempt, I got a scope. I'm gonna try to run a scope down there and see if I can see exactly where they are. And stay tuned and we'll see what we can come up with. All right, everybody. So I went up the ladder, used the scope. They're down inside the cinder block. So I sprayed a little bit of honeybee gone in there, and they're starting to pile out. They definitely don't want to get in there. I'm gonna risk getting stung because I don't have my glove on my hand with my GoPro. But they are definitely loud and pissed off right now. So we're gonna, I'm gonna try to put a box up there, see if we can get these bees in that hive. All right, guys. Yeah, they're not loving that. They don't like that honeybee gone. But you see they're starting to collaborate on my box right there. You see them? Up under the edge. They're kind of going frantic now. I hit them with the second dose of honeybee gone. They don't like it. We got every ladder in the county over here to get that box up there and strapped down with that rope. They don't know what to do right now. They're everywhere. But they're starting to collaborate on the front of the box. If they start going in, it's a good sign. Oh, they're going to the hole. Come on, get in there, girls. I know you smell that swarm commander in that box. I know you do. And we got a nice rainbow on your hive and everything. Y'all love it. Put you out by the pool. I ain't got no pool, but put them out there. Anyway, we'll give you an update as it progresses. All right, everybody, we're back. The sun's going down on us. We got the last little bit of girls trying to sting. No, I haven't taken, my glove took a couple stings, but I haven't. Last bit on the front of the box here, trying to hold on, but I don't think so. We got the entrances bagged up with honeybee gone. Got some birds trying to eat the bees that are trying to fly. So getting close. They just took them a while to figure out what they wanted to do or didn't want to do. They congregated on the box, popped the box open for a few minutes to let some get in it, and they're just hanging out, chilling on the front. So before long, hopefully the sun will go down, then bees will go in, I'll spin the disc closed and carry them on to the house. So see, they laughing. They're on YouTube now, y'all famous. Yeah, see there? So we're just having fun, talking, waiting on the bees. What can we do? They're gonna do it in their time. So we'll see y'all next time. Have a good night.